If you use email marketing for your basement waterproofing or foundation repair company, that's awesome. But I want to give you two really important tips. I see this overlooked quite often. It's really important that you manage your database. I see a lot of databases with duplicate email addresses or two or three different email addresses to the same household. I just see a lot of big messes inside databases. So I would encourage you to take a habit once a week just to go through your database and to look for duplicate contents and look for spammy emails and get those out of your database. Also look for emails that don't get opened. So the rule is anything that hasn't been opened for 90 days, when you're sending out emails, you should get that out of your database. As a note, if you have a 20 or 25% open rate on your email marketing, that's actually good. But keep in mind that means 75 to 80% of your emails are not being opened. One more tip I want to give is to use AI or Chat GPT to come up with really creative subject lines for your emails. A subject line really relates to the open rate. If you have a great subject line, you're going to have a higher open rate. So use those tips and use email marketing more effectively.